Is that a monopoly? Not a monopoly. A Batman?
Hey YouTube fan, it's Galvatron here, the freaking self. Today we're gonna do unboxing of Monopoly Batman. Here we are, and they are. And first of all, always, and look at this box there, and this is Batman Monopoly, and look at capture the villain to save Gotham City. And look at the side there, Batman Monopoly. Down the side, Monopoly Batman. Look at the back there. And pause it and read it. I'll show you the thing in a minute, because when I open it on box, you have the WB logo and Batman logo and the DC Comic logo. And we will go to unbox it and take this. Top is dropping. Cause the old Batman Monopoly was a long time ago. Was it? That was 2005, 2000. I don't know. I can't remember that. Let me know in the comments. You see the picture. This old Batman Monopoly. Those are stickers. Might go to the dice block. I'll put the sticker, skip this one. So, and those are the token and the organ. I'm gonna open that. Got Penguin, Joker, Harley Quinn. It's a bring justice to Gotham City. It's a choose a hero and activate their ability with the action die. That is action die with a sticker. Use the battery to capture villain and then collect colors set to lock them in the Arkham Asylum. And I'm going to just open it. Gonna use a. No, I can't use it. You might go throw the car. I'm gonna use a clipper. Those are Alfred was his chance car thing or his community chance? Let me know in the comment was his outfit was a community chance or chance car. And let's see. The Bat single should be the chance car. Let's see this hero card. We have Batman, Bruce Wayne, Robin, Damian Wayne, Dick Grayson, Nightwing, the Batgirl, Barbara Gordon. And that's going for hero. Now let's take out this. Let's see. Let's see if it's got roof up. So the battery, take it to the total battery, 20 battery. I'll take a show you a board game. Minute. Go to jail. You get out of jail where you use a pay one battery. We use a let's get to the board game. And you gotta move this. Oh, forgot. Got the battery. Gotta move this out the way and move the woo buck and get out the way. And now take this now for the board. For himself don't want to stand with falling. I'll hold that. Got Path Go. Got a Catwoman, the Batmobile, Talent, Alfred Pennyworth. Could be, I don't know. Let me know. Deathstroke, Bat Single, with the Riddler. Gotta get closer. Got Clayface, Killer Croc, Mr. Freeze, Poison Ivy, Free Parking, Bane, Harley Quinn, Scarecrow, Two-Face, Ra's al Ghul, Talia al Ghul, the Penguin, and the Joker. And that's it. They are the villain, the property. And that those are the Arkham Gate and the Ashen Die. So when you collect the color, you can use an Arkham gate to lock them up, and use an ashen die to roll like that. If you got fail, we use it. Alright. And that's it. And don't forget to comment, don't forget the bell icon, notification, don't forget to subscribe, and click the link description down below. And so, this is Monopoly Batman. And so, you stop playing toys, you grow, you stop playing the board game. Be geek, be proud, and we rolling out.